There's a few things we want to think about in making our power system work. The first is that we want to make sure our batteries are turned on. There's a Xantrex button here. It's a big silver button. We're going to push that. There's two smaller lights. They're little green lights. They will light up. If they are glowing steady, that means that our batteries are charged and on. If there's no light there, it means our batteries are off. And if it's blinking steadily, that means our batteries are charging, and that could either be from solar, from the sun, from our alternator if we're driving, or we're plugged into shore power and it's charging our batteries. Now, if we notice that those lights are blinking really fast, that means that we're on reserve power and we need to think about charging it in one of those three ways. The next thing we need to think about in making sure our power system is working, and ideally our outlets, our 120 volt outlets that are run off of our inverter, is our inverter control. The inverter has got a series of buttons here. There's 4 buttons, but the main one that we're going to use day in and day out is the lower right corner. There's a round button, and that's the power button. We want to push that, the screen will light up, and we'll know that our power is on. There's a great app that can be found on the App Store or the Google Play Store that will let you download the Lithionics battery monitor, or sometimes referred to as the Li3 battery app. If your batteries get down to 10%, they will automatically shut off. You can turn them back on, but we don't want to do that unless we're going right into recharging them. Anything else is kind of abusive to your battery system. We want to always stay above that 10% mark. If we see our batteries dropping below 10%, our first priority should be charging our batteries. The best way to charge our batteries in a dire situation is to either drive and use the alternator or to plug into shore power.